massive move is about to take place in the crypto market right now. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys where we are headed, where we are most likely about to go. It's going to shake a lot of people up, but it's going to be absolutely massive, but it's going to be very, very bullish. So we have good news, bad news, but it's going to be absolutely crazy where cryptos are heading right now. And in this video right now, I'm about to share it with you. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today.
We have some breaking news, guys. If you hold cryptos, this is a very, very bullish thing. So the Fed Governor Waller says central bank could cut rates as early as July. And if you guys are holding XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, any cryptocurrency for that matter, this is very bullish. Right now, the market is correcting because of the uncertainty in the Middle East, but I have some good news for you. If the Fed actually starts cutting rates, that is going to pump the market up massively. And a reason why cryptos have kind of cooled off is because the Fed said that they're not going to be cutting rates till later as a result of Trump's tariffs. So because Trump has placed these tariffs, this has actually delayed the Fed in cutting rates. When the Fed cut rates, it makes borrowing money easier and injects liquidity into the stock market and crypto markets. And ultimately, people have a lot more money. So when that takes place, it is a massive liquidity injection, which pumps everything massively. So if the Fed starts cutting rates again, a cutting cycle is going to be very, very bullish for cryptos. And guess what? The market is always pricing in rate cuts and all of these bullish catalysts way before they take place. So if this is actually true and the Fed's funds futures starts pricing a rate cut in July, the market is going to start pumping up before the rate cut. So right now the market is correcting, it's pulling back. Get ready because this dip, this current dip that we are in, this current crash, whatever you want to call it, correction, is going to be providing an incredible buying opportunity, an incredible trading opportunity in the near short term. Let me go ahead and share with you guys my thoughts on what's actually taking place in the market. But guys, look, on Bluefin, I made over $117,000 just the past 30 days trading futures over on Bluefin. You guys can follow my signals by joining the Patreon. But look, guys, I'm making a lot of money trading. I know I'm very confident in where the market is going. I'm consistently calling the next moves in the market. And I'm going to share with you guys where I think it's heading right now. So one thing, Bitcoin, everything follows Bitcoin. And Bitcoin right now is rejecting previous all-time highs. Previous all-time highs this here is a macro resistance level. So this is where people are selling. This is where the whales and institutions that bought very, very early are taking profits. And what we can see is that Bitcoin is continually forming lower highs, continually rejecting, and that is extremely bearish. And that means that Bitcoin is likely, in my opinion, to see 92,000, approximately this region here around 92 to 94,000. I'm confident that Bitcoin is going to see this correction and pull back to this level, which means from our current position, that's about a 10% move for Bitcoin. But what that translates into XRP, any type of altcoin, 20 to 30 to even 50% for the weaker coins. So altcoins could correct significantly from our current levels if this continues to happen. We are also in summer months. And in addition to that, if we pull up my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator and we use the daily time frame, we could see, guys, this is very bearish. We have rejected 3 days, the daily EMAs, the ALGOSNIPER bands. We have a sell alert. And the last time this happened, Bitcoin corrected from 102,000 all the way to 74,000, which this whole move I called way ahead of time. I even called this move way ahead of time as well. And all of these moves that are taking place, and I put those alerts and moves in the Patreon. But here is the thing, guys. Whenever this confirms, and this is confirming right now, that is bearish, and that means we're most likely going to see lower prices. So this particular level does also line up. You see with this green line, this is the 200 EMA on the daily time frame. Bitcoin loves the 200 EMA as support. You see how Bitcoin found it in this previous bull market, this previous uptrend, 200 EMA as support. Bitcoin will probably come down to this level as support, somewhere in this region, give or take. And this is where I'm looking to buy altcoins. It's where I'm looking to buy Bitcoin and more. And Bitcoin could even pull back lower, but we're going to take it level to level by now. So I wanted to share with you guys my thoughts on where the crypto market is heading. And if you take a look at altcoins, they're also looking much worse. Ethereum looking bad. XRP in the short term is looking bad. I mean, everything is looking like it's going to pull back. And that's normal. That's healthy. We're in summer markets. We also have all the situation in the Middle East, Russia, Ukraine, all of this stuff that's taking place brings uncertainty, panic, fear, doubt. All of this stuff is bearish for the short term, but the Fed's cutting rates. We have XRP, Solana ETFs about to be approved. There's a lot of very bullish things. We are still in a bull market. Everything is still very bullish, but in the short term, the pullback is likely. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.